Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at Prosper Wellness Joint Restore Gummies. These gummies claim to help reduce joint pain and inflammation. But what does the science actually say about the ingredients? In this video, we'll break down the research on CBD and Boswellia Serrata, explain how they work, and discuss what you should consider before trying them. Joint Restore Gummies are a supplement that combines CBD, Cannabidiol, and Boswellia Serrata, both of which are marketed for their anti-inflammatory properties. They're designed to help relieve joint pain, particularly for people with conditions like arthritis. Let's start with CBD. While CBD is often discussed for its potential to help with inflammation, the scientific evidence is still in early stages, especially when it comes to its use for joint pain. Some studies suggest that CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system, which helps regulate pain and inflammation. A 2020 review published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology highlighted that CBD may reduce inflammatory pain in conditions like arthritis. However, most of these studies have been done on animals, and there's a need for more robust clinical trials in humans to confirm its effectiveness specifically for joint pain. In a 2018 study on rheumatoid arthritis patients published in the European Journal of Pain, some participants using CBD topically reported reductions in joint inflammation and pain. But again, the evidence is not conclusive, and results can vary significantly between individuals. Next, let's discuss Boswellia Serrata. Boswellia Serrata. Boswellia has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to reduce inflammation. Modern research backs some of these claims. A 2003 study published in Phytomedicine showed that Boswellia serrata extract could significantly reduce joint swelling and pain in patients with osteoarthritis of the knee. Another study from 2011, published in the journal Arthritis Research and Therapy, found that patients with knee osteoarthritis experienced a reduction in pain and improvement in knee function after taking Boswellia serrata for 3 months. Unlike CBD, which still needs more large-scale studies, the research on Boswellia is a bit more established, especially in relation to osteoarthritis. So how does CBD and Boswellia work together in Joint Restore Gummies? Both ingredients target inflammation, which is one of the main causes of joint pain. CBD is believed to help by regulating pain and immune responses through its interaction with the endocannabinoid system. However, remember that human research is still evolving. And while some users report benefits, others may not experience the same level of relief. Boswellia works by blocking specific enzymes that trigger inflammation. This process can lead to a reduction in joint pain and stiffness, particularly for those with osteoarthritis. The combination of these two ingredients is intended to provide long-term relief from joint discomfort, but the effectiveness will vary depending on the individual and the severity of the condition. What can you realistically expect if you try Joint Restore Gummies? Based on the research, if you have mild to moderate joint pain, particularly due to conditions like osteoarthritis, Boswellia might provide some relief after consistent use. Studies suggest that it may take a few weeks of daily use to notice a reduction in pain and inflammation. CBD's effects on joint pain are less well proven in humans, though some people report benefits. Keep in mind that if you do experience relief from CBD, it may take several weeks of regular use, and the effects can be subtle. These gummies are designed to be a supplement, not a replacement for medical treatments. They may work better as part of an overall approach to joint care, which could include exercise, physical therapy, and other treatments your doctor recommends. Before trying Joint Restore Gummies, here are some key points to consider. Consult your doctor, especially if you're taking medications like blood thinners or have underlying conditions. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider. CBD can interact with certain medications. Variable effectiveness. As the research suggests, results may differ. While some people report reduced pain, others may not experience significant changes. In conclusion, Joint Restore Gummies offer a combination of CBD and Boswellia, two ingredients with some scientific backing for reducing inflammation and potentially easing joint pain. While Boswellia has more solid research supporting its effectiveness in conditions like osteoarthritis, CBD's benefits for joint pain still require more human studies. If you're considering these gummies, approach them as part of a broader joint care strategy and be sure to consult your doctor first. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, feel free to subscribe for more honest product reviews. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.